Okay, use the figure to answer the question. Based on the information provided, what is the measure of angle CBD? Measure of angle CBD equals blank. Enter the number that belongs in the blank in the previous sentence. There's two ways you can go about doing this. One of them is the exterior angle and an angle outside of a polygon formed by one side of the polygon and the extension of the adjacent side. So that is an exterior angle. There's an exterior angle theorem that was given in the lesson, which angle CBD is an exterior angle. It's outside of the triangle, and the exterior angle theorem states that it is the sum of the two interior angles it's not attached to. So it's attached to angle B, so it would be the sum of angle A and C. So you could add 43 plus 89, and that equals 132. So we know that it's 132. Now if you didn't remember the exterior angle theorem, then I'll show you the way you could step through to figure this out. We know that triangles all add up to 180 degrees, and notice that this angle right here, CBD, and angle B create a straight line. So we know that these two add up to 180 as well. So we're going to first find the angle of B, and then we know that angle CBD and angle B are linear pair. So that's the two steps. So find angle B. Again, inside a triangle is 180 degrees. So I'm going to take 180 degrees and subtract the two angles that we have, which is 89 and 43. So I'm going to just go over here, 180 minus 89 minus 43 gives us 48, and if you want the steps right here, here are the steps on how it found it. So we know that angle B is 48 degrees right here. And so now we're jumping back to here. We know that angle B equals 48 degrees. Since we have a linear pair, we know that a linear pair adds up to 180 degrees. So we know that angle B plus angle CBD equals 180. We know that angle B is 48 degrees. So I'm going to take 180 and subtract 48 degrees to find out what angle CBD is. So again, jump over here. We're going to go 180 minus 48. And that gives us 132, which is exactly what we ended up with from the beginning, from our linear pair, not our exterior angles theorem. So if you can remember that relationship, great. If not, just use your knowledge of what a triangle, how many degrees inside a triangle is, and linear pairs. So again, this is 132.